Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So for this video, I will gonna show you how you can convert any of your files into a PDF file. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to convert your file into a PDF, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, go to your Google Chrome. And once you're on Google Chrome, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will be directed to this website. This website is a tool to convert any file into a PDF. So to convert your file into a PDF, I want you to scroll down until you find the Convert to PDF section. In this section, you will be able to see the type of files you can convert into a PDF like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and more. So to start converting, just select the type of file that you want to convert into a PDF. Let's say you want to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a PDF, for example. So to do that, just select the PowerPoint to PDF option. And then tap this to import the file that you want to convert. Then right here, you may now select the file that you want to convert into a PDF. And after that, the converting process will start, just wait for it to finish. And once the process was finished, you can now tap Start. And right here, for the last step, you can now download the converted PDF file. After that, your PDF will start downloading, so just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now open it, and congratulations, you have successfully converted your file into a PDF. And so that's just how you convert your file into a PDF, guys. It's easy, right? Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.